Hey everyone, this is Dave. I am back again. Just a short review of something that I found really handy. This is called the Rapid, and that is a 50 foot just homeowner grade extension cable. You know, probably what, 14 gauge wire. Anyways, I have the multi-pack. It's 2 of each, comes in 2 different sizes. You can see that, right? Come over and check out, so that's the small size. And it's just hanging on a tiny nail, but that great big grommet makes it easy. Come on over here. Let me show you. I roll my toolbox out every day. I keep it in my garage because chemicals, you know, are sensitive to heat and light and all that. So, man, I don't want stuff stolen. Anyways, this is a 50 foot, just commercial grade heavy duty cord, and I usually don't need more than that. Sometimes I'll roll with 100 or more feet, but most jobs is just a 50 footer, and so I can just grab this, and it's got a handle. So even though I don't use this to hang in my car, it's just a nice carry handle, and it keeps me from getting really dirty from my cord. My cord drags along asphalt parking lots a lot of times, so I'm doing odor removal. Anyways, good handle. The good grommet is right there. It's a huge, sturdy grommet. These are well made. And then what I can do is I just throw it on here to remind myself to bring it if I'm going to a job that's going to require some power. So here is the Rapid. It's simple, but really well made. So there's your loop, there's your hook, there's your pull tab, and then it's doubled up right here and with the grommet stamped through and the label on it. Anyways, it just fits anything. And from time to time, I'll make these really tight just because I don't want anything to bounce around if I'm hauling a whole bunch of stuff and I don't want to lose. Hold on a second. So I'll just wrap the Velcro tight, kind of like an audio guy would a sound booth or something. So, and now this cord isn't going to weasel its way out of anywhere because I have them folded over. So there's a small size, that's a large. You could put two 50 foot cords. This is it a 12? Can you read that? Anyways, heavy duty. I would guess most of you who work with if you work with extension cords, you got these from the same place I got them. So anyways, too small, too large. I like them. Heavy duty, Rapid, storage strap. And let's see what the tag says inside. Check it out. We've got rapidstorage.com. By the way, go on their website and check out Made in China. Not a surprise. Check out their website. They have got everything. They've got all the solutions dialed in. So this is cool. Give them a check out. Give them a try. I promise it'll be the best cord wrap you've ever had.